Welcome to EcoLogic Life. Today we are talking about zero waste living, making less trash and being kind to our planet. Zero waste living means using less and reusing more. It's about being smart with what we use so we don't make a lot of trash. Let's start with easy ways to make less trash. Bring reusable bags and bottles when you go out. Buy things in big containers to avoid extra packaging. And use what you have before buying more. Composting is another way to help. It's like recycling food scraps and yard waste into good soil for plants. Just toss your food scraps into a bin and nature does the rest. Get crafty with old stuff. Turn jars into storage, clothes into bags, and other trash into treasure. It's fun and saves stuff from going to the dump. When you shop, look for things that last a long time and don't come with lots of packaging. Support local businesses that care about the earth and make things the right way. Keep it simple. Having fewer things can make life easier. Declutter your space and focus on what matters most, like spending time with loved ones and enjoying the outdoors. Be part of the change. Join groups, clean up parks, and speak up for the earth. Together, we can make a big difference. Let's inspire others to join us. Living with less waste isn't hard, and it helps our planet stay healthy for everyone. Thanks for being part of EcoLogic Life. Remember, even small steps can lead to big changes. Let's keep working together to make our world cleaner and greener. Thank you for watching.